Hello friend, my name is Deepak Meena and you are watching Adam Plus Tech Zone. So in this video we will learn about JavaScript JSON. JSON full form is JavaScript object notation. And JSON is a lightweight data interchange format. JSON is language independent. JSON is self-describing and easy to understand. JavaScript object notation is a standard text-based format for representing structured data based on JavaScript object syntax. It is commonly used for transmitting data in web applications, the server to the client. Example, sending some data from the server to the client so it can be displayed on a web page or vice versa. You will come across it quite often. So in this article we will give you all you need to work with JSON using JavaScript, including parsing JSON so you can access data within it and creating JSONs. Uh, JSON is a text-based data format following JavaScript object syntax, which was popularized by Doug Crockford. Even if it is closely resembles JavaScript object literal syntax, it can be used independently from JavaScript, and many programming environments feature the ability to read and generate JSON. JSON exists as a string, useful when you want to transmit data across a network. It needs to be converted to a native JavaScript object when you want to access the data. This is not a big issue. JavaScript provides a global JSON object that has methods available for converting between the two. So this is the JSON example, and this JSON syntax define an employee objects, an array of three employee records objects. Employee first name Jones, last name Doyle. Three employee data. Second is Anna, and last name Smith, Anna Smith. And third is Peter Jones. So this is the example of JSON. And what is the JSON rules? So JSON rules is data is each in name, uh, yeah, value in pairs. Data is separated by commas. Data is separated by commas, and curly braces hold objects. Curly braces hold objects, and square bracket hold arrays. Square bracket hold arrays. So this is the Java syntax, JSON syntax rules. The JSON format relate to JavaScript object. The JSON format is synthetically identical to code for creating JavaScript objects. Because of this similarity, a JavaScript program easily convert JSON data into native JavaScript objects. So this is all about the JSON in JavaScript. Okay, thank you guys.